The Hiring Trap: Why Scaling Kills Your Freedom. Episode 7 of a multi-video series. Many entrepreneurs think hiring a team will give them freedom, but in reality, most people end up with more stress, more expenses, and less time. Let's break down why hiring too soon can actually kill your business freedom. Think hiring a team will give you freedom? Most people end up working harder, making much less, and drowning in stress. If you're dreaming of scaling your business by hiring a team, you need to hear this first because it could be the biggest mistake you ever make. Stick around because I'm exposing why hiring doesn't mean growth and what you should focus on instead to create true freedom. Hiring a team can feel like the next step in scaling your business, but for most people, it leads to higher expenses, more headaches, and less control over their income. More employees, more problems. Most people don't realize that hiring creates more responsibility, not less. Payroll, oh my goodness, becomes a huge financial burden. Hiring means you have to pay salaries, even when business is slow. You become responsible for other people's paychecks before your own. Instead of financial freedom, you're now locked into higher monthly expenses. Managing people is harder than doing the work yourself. Most entrepreneurs don't realize how much time goes into hiring, training, and managing. You go from doing work to managing people who do the work. If employees underperform, you have to fix their mistakes. Scaling too soon can kill your cash flow. If your revenue isn't stable, adding employees just drains your business fast. You end up working more just to cover salaries instead of growing your profits. Hiring should be a strategic move, not a panic decision. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by managing a team, drop a fire sign in the comments. Next, let's talk about the real problem: why hiring doesn't always lead to more profits. More staff doesn't always mean more money. Hiring a team doesn't guarantee higher revenue. Sometimes it just creates higher costs. Increased expenses eat away at profits. Hiring means higher salaries, taxes, and operational costs. If your business isn't profitable before hiring, this will make it worse. More revenue doesn't mean more profit if expenses are increasing just as fast. You become trapped in an overload nightmare. A bigger team means bigger office space, software, and training expenses. Suddenly, your business feels like a job, not freedom. You work longer hours just to cover the extra costs. Hiring the wrong people can set you back months. Bad hires cost you time, money, and energy. Firing someone after months of training means starting all over again. Instead of growing, you're constantly fixing problems. If this is making sense, hit the like button and let me know, because the biggest problem with hiring is still ahead. More people, less control over your business. The more people you hire, the less freedom you have over your business decisions. You're no longer in full control of your own business. As you delegate, you rely on others to maintain quality and performance. If your team makes mistakes, your reputation suffers. Instead of feeling free, you feel like you're putting out fires daily. Oh, the stress of leadership can be overwhelming. Managing a team means handling HR, human resources, payroll, conflicts, and legal issues. You go from being an entrepreneur to being a full time manager. Most people don't want this level of responsibility, they just want more income. Employees can leave anytime, putting your business at risk. If key employees quit, you lose valuable skills and momentum. Replacing them means more hiring, training, and more wasted time. Suddenly, your business feels more fragile than before you scaled. Now that you know why hiring too soon can be a trap, it's time to talk about the next big mistake: working harder instead of working smarter. In the next episode, I'll break down why hustling more doesn't mean earning more. More employees don't guarantee more profits. If you want real financial freedom, you need a scalable system, not just more people on payroll. Next episode, the harder you work, the more stuck you become. If this video opens your eyes, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because tomorrow's video is going to change the way you see online business forever. Want a real online business that pays you first? Grab my free guide here. Go to the description and click and put in your email. It's free here to access. Scaling isn't about hiring more people. It's about building a business that runs 24/7 without you.